God says, "My precious child, I have shown you the way that you should follow. I have given you the wisdom to choose right from wrong." You know about Samson. I warned him the thing that he should not do, but he ignored my voice. Later you know what had happened to him and how he suffered. Like this video if you love God. Likewise, there were times where you had disobeyed what I have said. There were times where you had sinned, even when you knew it was a sin. Later you have realized those were mistakes by seeing where they led you, and at that time you had complained to me for the consequences of your actions. When Samson repented his sin, he cried out to me, and I forgave him and granted his request. Similarly, when you have confessed your sin and when you sought me for help, I have forgiven you and given you a fresh start. But are you still repeating the same mistakes again? Do not think that it is fine to do it by thinking you can ask me for your mercy after doing it. I will forgive you. You do not have to doubt on me, but those mistakes will bring you towards unwanted troubles. So always pray and live a faithful life according to my plan. There are many things in this world which can separate you from me, but your prayer can prevent it. If you desire miracles, watch this video all the way through to the end. God says read this daily 5 Bible and keep your mind. 1. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. 2. For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. To Timothy 1:7. 3. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. Proverbs 3:5-6. 4. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. 5. Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. Matthew 6:34. Type Amen if you believe. Listen up. When you have a burning passion, it's natural to want to pursue what you feel is your calling. You may feel an urgency, a conviction, and a sense of purpose. It can be frustrating when you're doing everything you know to do, but no doors are opening, no new opportunities are coming your way, and no one is calling. You've been faithful, consistent, and diligent, yet you may feel discouraged, disappointed, and alone. I want to encourage you to keep believing in yourself and hold on to your dreams and goals. You may be in a season of anonymity and obscurity because you're still being prepared for what lies ahead. You may feel unseen by others, but remember that you're never truly alone. Keep striving towards your goals and never give up on your dreams. God says, type Amen if you believe in me. God says sometimes life leads us to part ways with certain individuals to safeguard our well-being. Embrace this reality and resist the urge to chase after them, pleading for their presence. If the divine plan has shut that door Accept it as a sign and maintain its closure. The past can offer no novel insights or solutions. In order to heal and progress, you must bid farewell to those people and circumstances that caused you pain. If you agree, comment Amen. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord's countenance shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord look upon you with favor and grant you peace. Numbers 6:24-26. God says, I have a plan for you. Jesus declares, I am your provider. Do not worry about the needs of tomorrow, for I shall care for you. Seek me first and have faith that I will provide all that you require. Your worth is not defined by material possessions, but by your connection with me. My dear child, today I want to remind you of the power of gratitude. Amidst life's challenges and uncertainties, cultivating a heart of gratitude can truly transform your perspective and bring immense joy to your soul. Take a moment to pause and reflect on the abundant blessings I have bestowed upon you. If you have faith in God, please like and share this video.